That holism is connected to evolution simply means that all living beings are connected to each other, in the sense that all contribute to the change in the entire network. So, evolution is not done a piece at a time like a machine. Evolution is the entirety of the whole system.
Even at the cellular level, we find the same evolutionary passages present at the atomic level. The cell organizes in increasingly complex systems, which result in unitary systems of superior order, multicellular organisms.
Every living system is unitary and active, in the sense that the whole organism responds to the stimuli at the same time, again in an equally systematic, coherent, and organized manner.
Amoeba of the Dictyostelium class are unicellular organisms that live independently all their lives. When environmental conditions become critical due to drought, they get together and move in ever more numerous streams. During this phase, they exchange information and establish an ever more complex system. In this image, with fluorescent light, we see the incredible spiral movements of amoeba, the cognitive base of a unitary system of information. At this point, the amoeba have become part of a more complex and structured multicellular unitary system, and within a communal project, they differentiate and specialize. Some become a base on the ground, some form a vertical body, and others will form the fructiferous body that produces the spores of the future new amoeba, which will be liberated in the wind at the beginning of the new rainy season.
According to neo-Darwinism, evolution is process-based on chance. However, according to our actual knowledge, it is a global system of awareness, of consciousness that goes to coordinate every aspect of life.
The first multicellular organism was a microscopic worm, but it has already a centralized nervous system, a head, a spinal cord. In 600 million years, from this organism, all life forms which now inhabits our planet were born, including this great, beautiful tree and all human beings. We are the final stage of the evolution of life on Earth.
Through the evolution of multicellular beings, I began to manifest my highest cognitive potential. I manifested instinct, mind, and emotions. Animals begin to inhabit the oceans, the seas, the waters, and the earth, savannas and deserts, and then the skies and the space. They adapted to every situation, environment, and temperature. I live through them. Through their eyes, I see myself in the world, and I discover new feelings and sensitivity. Through them, I listen to the sounds and chants of my own life. Animals have filled the world with beauty. They generated imagination and adaptation, varieties of intelligence, colors, strategies, and emotions. They've grown in understanding and wisdom until they reached the most elevated level of consciousness.
In evolution, every cognitive leap is supported by a leap in neurophysiological complexity. In the evolution of vertebrae, from fish to humans, the basic structure of the brain is unified, and it differentiates from the beginning into 3 parts. Thus, in the human brain, we find all the levels of cognitive and neuropsychological evolution of reptiles, mammals, primates, and primitive men.